Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can decompose multiple inserted blocks into individual blocks. Let's examine the function for decomposing multiple inserted blocks in Utility. There are blocks on the screen inserted, using the minsert command. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on Divide the inserted blocks. Select the multiple inserted blocks. Upon checking the blocks, you can see they have been decomposed into 18 individual blocks. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to decompose the multiple inserted blocks. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.